This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Michael Amory. Welcome to Move and Ready. Hello updates. We have quality upgrades inside and out, plus a spacious functional floor plan. The roof, HVAC, and H2O heater are all less than 5 years old. The flooring, paint, bathrooms, plumbing, and light fixtures are all new. Professionally installed gutters and drainage. Beautifully landscaped with the intention of low maintenance and natural privacy. The community is known for its suburban atmosphere and family-friendly environment. The area features a mix of residential communities, commercial establishments, schools, and recreational facilities. Western Branch is home to Western Branch Park, which offers outdoor activities and sports fields. It also has convenient access to major highways, making it accessible to nearby cities and attractions and military bases. For more information, review the details below.